Hello everyone. Our today's topic is all about the importance of the C programming language. That is the first thing. Then basic structure of C programs, and third one it is executing C program. Okay. So importance of C programming language. Here are the some of the points. First of all, it is a robust language whose rich set of built-in functions and operators can be used to write any complex program. So there are many built-in functions available actually. Programs written in C language are efficient and also they are what fast. There are only 32 keywords in C programming language, and its strength lies in its built-in function actually. C is highly portable. That means that C programs are written for one computer and can be run on another with the little or no modification. So portability is important if we plan to use a new computer with a different operating system. C language is well suited for structured programming. Another important features of C is its ability to extend itself. Okay. A C program is basically a collection of functions that are supported by C library, and we can continuously add our own function also that is created by user to C library. So with the availability of the large number of function, the programming task becomes what? Simple and easy. So this is the basic structure of your C program: documentation section, link section, definition section, global declaration section, main function section, and that curly brackets, and sub program section, that is user defined function. That is nothing but a simple and easiest diagram for the structure of C program. And here is the meaning. So documentation section consists of set of comment line giving the name of program, author, other details. That is documentation. Link section provides instruction to the compiler to link the function from your system library like hash include, etc. stdio.h, conio.h, etc. The definition section defines all the symbolic constant, hash defined, pi, 3.14, something like that. And there are some variables that are used in more than one function. Like you can have a many function, and if you are using same variable in multiple function, then such variables are called as global variables, and they are declared in the global declaration section, that is outside of all the function. Now every C program must have one main function, and this section contains two parts. One is declaration and one is what? Executable. The declaration part declares all your variables which are used in executable part. So there is at least one statement in the executable part. These two parts must appear between your opening and closing braces. The program execution begins at the opening braces and ends at what? Closing braces. The closing braces of the main function section is the logical end of your program. All the statements in the declaration and executable parts ends with what? Semicolon. And the last one, which is the subprogram section, that is the blue color section. The subprogram section contains all the user defined functions that are called in the main function. Means you are going to call from the main function, and that the function body is written separately. The user defined functions are generally placed immediately after the main function, although they may appear in any order. So that is all about basic structure of C programming. And last part of this video is executing a C program. Here is the flow chart, that is process of compiling and also running a C program. First we will read this part. Executing a program written in C involves series of steps. First you create or write a program, then you compile your program, then linking the program with the functions that are needed from your C library. So you have to link also, and at the end you have to execute your program. So here is the flowchart, like system is ready and you enter your program, so your program code. Okay, if you want you edit your program also, but once you are done with that, next is the compile the source program. In that case, if you find any syntax error, then go to edit source program. Okay, but if no syntax, then you have to link with the system library, and in response it will generate executable object code, and then it will check that do you have any logical or any data kind of error. If yes, then obviously logic error, you have to go back to your source program. But if it is data error, go back to your input data, whatever you have entered at the time of execution, which is incorrect probably. But if everything is correct, no errors, nothing, then obviously you will find correct output and you have to stop. So that is all about importance of C programming language, basic structure of C programs, and execution of C program. Thank you everyone.